Yeah, listen to the Trump vehicle.
Backed up, so that's why the exit.
Oh, you just gotta go in the. Oh, look at the deer! Look at the deer! There you go, Robert.
Assert dominance.
Yeah,
that's what I do. I beat that. So, yeah, when you get off 95 and you take the exit, I always just take the gravel path because they've been doing a lot of road work there. I hope they're going to do that bridge over 95. 'Cause that bridge is decrepit.
Do you mean like the
over 95?
Like the path on the shoulder?
Yeah, the shoulder path, a little gravel path. As soon as I see that gravel path and there's a bunch of traffic, I take it. And then there's a road called Shortcut Drive.
I use Shortcut.
Yep, there you go. See, y'all learn it.
People were using it and then turning left at the end.
Yeah,
oh, that's
funny.
criminal.
That's funny.
That's awful.
That's because they all want to go south.
They wanted to go south, so they were just like
bypassing. Right.
See, I used it the correct way.
I believe in using it to get to Shortcut Drive, and then. No, I was.
You knew I was white.
Oh, that's right. You weren't with us last time.
He knew I was white. We good?
Excuse me, could I have polo? How about a quesadilla?
I said
quesadilla.
You did not say polio. I would give it to you if you did.
I'm sorry, Brian. I'm on Norman's side. You did say polo.
You guys.
Did I say polo like the clothing brand? Like
Robert, what'd you say?
Brian says polo. I know it.
Oh my God, Dave, what'd you hear?
I think I heard polo actually.
Whoa!
It's my stutter.
It's your stutter.
Your stutter?
Stutter? That was a medical condition. Of a Y.
Brian,
it's a medical condition.
Okay, I was getting ready to say Joe Biden. That's so funny, Robert.
Are we going to there?
Oh yeah, right there, Robert. That loves. Oh, another lifted Crown Vic. Oh, I love that.
Dude, he almost ran over that car. Max fell through. He went and did 4 interviews, and they showed him around the place and everything. That was like 3 weeks ago, and then he had a interview last week. I heard that they didn't continue on.
That sucks, man.
It's ridiculous how many freaking interviews companies want you to do now.
Oh dear.
Yeah.
What's up? Oh fuck.
Robert, you almost got a new car.
Nah, I wouldn't get a new car off that.
Robert wanted dinner.
You didn't even hit the brakes.
That's the drive hunt.
One
time I ran into his mom in my neighborhood while I was filming content.
Oh, really?
Wait, what?
Oh yeah, Ryan's roommate Dan. I've known Dan since
He used to live in.
I was a child.
Really?
Yeah, he grew up down the road from me, like literally down the road and on the other side of the street.
Such a small world, man.
Yeah.